Chloe, what are we doing?
We're going to the Lake District to do some biking.
Huge shout out to Go Ape though. 40 quid. It's not bad. Give us a room tour, Chloe. Wow. There's a lot going on in here, a lot going on. Got a nice bed, you know.
You look so good, it hurts my soul.
I've got my pillow. This is my pillow. It's my towel. Everyone's really nice, which is good. I didn't think about muddiness as well. So my clothes are going to get quite muddy, but that's alright. That'll be fine. Yeah, like I said, I do sleep talk, so just be wary of that. I'll probably stop recording now. But we're going cycling tomorrow. How exciting! Yes! I cannot tell you how cold it was last night. I was not prepared for it to be as cold as it was. We're going to drive over to Grizedale, which is the nearest Go Ape to us, to have some breakfast. Me and Chloe are too urban for this. Walking up the escalators is too much for me at the train station, never mind this. Woo. Okay, look at this one, don't impale yourself. Watch out, bloody hell, man.
Thank you for that one.
This is nuts. That was a nice easy flat trail to start off with. Nice introduction. This is more like it.
Just be a bit careful, this is notorious for punctures. Oh. Because it is rocky, so try not to just
Can't escape this now.
any old rock and it is.
What's the issue, mate?
Got a puncture.
Oh, bloody hell. The way they're all holding it.
I was coming down the hill and thought someone had crashed.
Yeah, I was. That's amazing. Oh, something went in my so muddy. First day review, but today was really good. The electric bikes were brilliant. I'm tired though. Chloe's had an upgrade. Someone's given her a blow-up mattress. She's taken up 3/4 of the room now, and I'm on the floor. Hi Lodge. Now it is time to go. We're just going to go straight and get cycling. Last night was a lot more pleasurable. Unfortunately, this is the last day as well, so quite a short trip. Morning. Oh, my socks are so wet. I'm even muddier than yesterday. My bum is sore, I can confirm. We broke 6 bikes. Did you guys enjoy yourselves? Brilliant weekend, yeah? See you guys. Take care.